On page 34, we are going to verify some inverse functions. So spoiler alert, these two are inverses. So first they want us to find f of g of x. That is f of x plus 4 over 2, which is 2 times x plus 4 over 2 minus 4. Now our 2's are going to cancel out. We're left with x plus 4 minus 4, which just gives us x. Now they want us to find g of f of x. So we want to find g of 2x minus 4. And that will give us 2x minus 4 plus 4 over 2. Our 4's are going to cancel. We end up with 2x over 2, which just gives us x. So we can conclude that g of x is the inverse of f of x. They want us to demonstrate this inverse relationship by means of a graph. So to do this, I am going to use my shapes because I cannot draw a straight line digitally to save my life. So first I'm going to start with the graph of x equals y. And that just goes kitty corner through the graph. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker so you guys can see it better. So our blue line is the graph of x equals y. Now I'm going to insert another line and graph 2x minus 4. So we know that it is going to go through minus 4, and it's going to go up 2 over 2. Sorry, up 2 over 1. I misspoke. Just making sure that I make it nice and long, and I'm going to pull it the other direction too. I'm going to change the color and make it so that you can actually see it. There we go. That is our graph of f of x. So again, the blue line is the graph y equals x. The orange line is the graph of f of x. Now, I'm going to manipulate g of x just to make it a little bit easier to draw. So we know that g of x equals x plus 4 over 2. And that's the same thing as saying x over 2 plus 4 over 2, which is the same thing as saying 1/2 x plus 2. So we know that it's going to go through 0, 2, and we know that the slope is 1/2, a positive 1/2. So it's going to go through 0, 2, it goes up 1 over 2. Drag it all the way in the other direction too. Just make sure I don't move it too much. And there it is. I'm going to make this one green and make it so you can actually see it. So our green graph, which is just slightly off, let me fix that. My orange one's a little off too. I'm going to fix that. There we go. So now that I have almost kind of sort of maybe perfected these lines, you can see that they're a reflection over the line y equals x. So we want to describe in words what f does to the input. And we did this type of thing in class already, so this shouldn't be anything new. So f of x, I'm going to have to write this, we multiply by 2, and then we add 4. Oh, I'm so sorry. We subtract 4. In g of x, first we add 4, and then we divide by 2. So we're doing the opposite operations in opposite order.